Good morning, class. So we'll discuss today chapter 13, that is scientific instruments. Okay, here some instruments will come to know which will use for some particular or different purposes. Science invention. Okay, these all are actually related with science invention. So first one, let's see. It is actually used or obtain a magnified view of small objects. What is that? That is microscope. First one is microscope. Let's see the second one. It is actually measure the atmospheric pressure. What is that? Barometer. So it is actually measure the what? The atmospheric pressure. Third one, you see, it is used to measure the depth of ocean. It is fathometer. So this can come as a question. Write down the name of that scientific instrument which used to measure the depth of ocean. So what we have to write? You have to write there as fathometer. Okay. The thing used to check the purity of milk. It is lactometer. The word lacto is related with milk. We know that. Okay, so if you link up these words, it is easy for you to remember all the scientific instruments and all. Okay, so here it is actually used to check the purity of the milk. What is that measuring instrument? The name is lactometer. After that, you see, it is used to measure the degree of moisture in the atmosphere. So it is used to degree the moisture of atmosphere. What is that? Hygrometer. Now moisture we know related with that word hygro and all, hygro water and all. So it is hygrometer. Used to measure the intensity of sound. It is also used to measure the sound. So it is audiometer. The word audio is related with sound, is it? So the word audio is related with sound. So it is audiometer. Try to, like I said, milk to lacto, so that you will remember that one. Secondly, audio, it is related with sound. Okay, so if you point out these two, it will be easy for you to remember. So the instrument which actually measuring the intensity of sound is known as audiometer. After that, used to view distance object in space, telescope. We had this. Some pictures are already given in your book, that also you can see. Or which instruments pictures are not there, try to Google it out. You'll easily find out the picture. By that you can understand how it looks. Okay. After that, it is used to measure the height of an aircraft above the sea level. It is altimeter. So altitude, this all word you will hear. Okay, you will learn afterwards. So alti means it is actually measuring the height. So altimeter, it is measuring the height of an aircraft above the sea level. After that, you see, used to regulate the temperature to a particular point. It is thermostat. It is actually using to measuring the temperature. After that, you see, used to view objects in submarines above the sea level. It is known as periscope. Periscope after submarine from above this level, sea level. Then afterwards, it is used to strengthen the electric current, ammeter. That also you will learn in physics and all. Used to detect the direction and range of an approaching aeroplane. It is radar. After that, used to convert the sound waves. It is microphone, as we are using to speak out on that. Is it microphone? It is actually making the sounds with the waves so that all can hear. Is it? After that, it is used to point messages sent from one place to another on telegraph lines. It is known as teleprinter. Before it is used hugely. Now the day by day it is actually decreasing the use of teleprinter and all. Used to detect the earthquake and to record its intensity, seismometer. Okay, so these are all scientific instruments. What you have to do as a question answer, write in your copy. Prepare the question and with the answer you write this one. Okay, so this is only the chapter is very easy. Try to relate the word with the instrument, so it will be easy for you to remember. All like 15 are there. 15 you have to learn properly as question answer form. Okay, so just revise this chapter. Till then, thank you, class.